extend to this various sections. Yeah, in parts we had done MBTI, but in the whole storytelling was very well knitted. It kind of aligned with my HR, mathematics, HR, objective evaluation. So it gave me a complete picture. Otherwise, psychometrics that we knew of was very, we viewed not in the complete story, but somewhere. Yeah, it helps, but now I know how it helps. And how statistically it can be so interesting, assessing a behavior. Because otherwise, behavior is something, if you read about it, it's very verbose. Until unless you have a mathematical calculation, one cannot assess. So this gives a more of an objective. It definitely added value in the HR dimension. And I think that going further, the decisions that I make would help me using this.
My expectation as far as this program is concerned, I wanted to see that the connectivity between the personality readings, as we keep dealing with the entire organization, why some people are behaving in a particular manner, and what could be the method to solve that. And as a HR, you can't ruffle the feathers per se, but you have to find out methods which are really covered enough to see that individuals are not distinct. Once you make your own readings, which the models what we have discussed in the last 3 days, and you can definitely make out a map of an individual, and you can either tell the subordinates what to be done, or their controlling officers that what exactly is the method of dealing with an individual. I'm sure it will be able to really guide them well in developing the interpersonal relationships in an organization. More than administering the tests on the individuals, the results would have been much more pertinent to what work we have been doing. So it's pretty relevant as far as HR is concerned and any other areas. And definitely it is useful. I never thought that it will be useful for me. So first day I was a little apprehensive. I think once 2 days have passed, 2 more days, I felt that yeah, the relevance is there. And wonderful learning. I wish all the best.
I had an idea, but I didn't know what factors will be, majorly in the content sheets. So I just thought the assessment report, हम कैसे assess करते हैं, this kind of knowledge will be shared from your end to us. But I had a different view after finishing the program, because the area of interest of mine, and mine in the sense I'm talking on behalf of the company, would be to understand one's personality and then to edit some things in him and then utilize him in a better way rather than throwing him out of this company. So, and the other thing is like to understand the factor, behavioral factor of the one's individual, majorly in the generation that is just come out of the college and just wanted to earn money without understanding the job role. So I think this will even make them a little more mature if we give them the result back. So I just feel that this way my experience was good, and yes, very well arranged, and it is a very not too high level. It was being talked on the level of the person to person talk. So it was a good session. Thanks for that.
Thanks.
And I enjoyed the camaraderie. Okay. With all the people I have roamed around the entire country, another extended family we would really acquire.
Thank you.
Everybody is smiling and everybody is well tuned and matured enough to understand the human language. And I think with this learning, probably they have become much more
Yes. Not only the learning one-to-one, I think we have interacted our own experiences, which is very much positive. There is no hierarchy in our talkings. Be it
Very
junior or
coherent.
senior. So that thing was awesome. Interacting with each level of people from different streams. It was
I think I
very
should
nice.
thank you so much for designing this course in such a nice way. Because as we see with the different profiles, we are all able to locate ourselves and at the same time communicate to each other. That I think is really, and there's no word except to say thank you and appreciate you for that. For a young person like you. Then I must thank strategists because I really thank Suvarna for locating this program and putting both of us. One is a being very beneficial to my personal self. I had known that I'm family oriented, but and why and how is never I never really thought about it. That way it's an enlightenment of sorts. And to know people who have a different nature and how you can gel well with them, whether they are subordinates or they are superordinates. It's important to connect with them and to know them. So that is one thing. And I was really worried about, if I had to recruit a set of people who can do my tasks. I was really wondering, where will I bring them and how do I really get them to be subordinates to me? Now I think I have a little more clarity, understanding how to build an organization. So you always be the cog in the wheel. Now you have to have that, that kind of clarity I got. So it's all an appreciation. Absolutely wonderful sessions, and I must say, social statistics are very misleading. But the very first day, I was very happy to know what is relevant and what is not. Pick a Z-score to pick a T-score. So that's been really helpful, and thank you so much for that. The other parts are like they were like a song. To understand the combinations or to know the anomalies, they are very helpful. And in fact, yes, after a workshop, I think to be able to locate people in a scientific way, I was just thinking about all the people whom I work with, my old bosses, my old subordinates. I am able to put them in a grid and at least to know where I stand. That is one thing. It's a takeaway for me, definitely.
Okay. I actually came into this program not really having a lot of expectations because although I've done a lot of interviews in my past, it has been more based on experience, and although I'd heard of psychometric testing, I really didn't have much knowledge about it. So my purpose of coming to this course was more for knowledge base, to understand this more. Now, having been here for 3 days and having gone through the first 2 modules of your website, I have a lot more to take back home. And I feel that there is so much more to learn. I've always been interested in human behavior. I've always been interested in what makes a person tick. Now I can find out how it makes a person tick. With this course, and if I'm able to administer these tests in the future, I should be able to understand or able to somehow figure how or what makes this person tick. But the way I look at it, I don't see it only from a HR angle. I think there is a wider scope for this. I think it can be used more than just HR. Great job, like adding to Mr. Murthy's comment, the camaraderie, fantastic.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Not having much of expectation. The only intention was since I am in Hyderabad. So, okay, let us utilize time. And since opportunity is there, so why should not learn something? I was aware about the statistical part, some of the content of psychology also, but I was not aware about the end-to-end cycle. From where we should start and where we should end. And in between there were a lot of calculations. the statistical part, though statistical was elementary, I never thought कि this exercise के